Welcome to your step-by-step guide to creating and selling digital products. In this journey, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into fully launched, income-generating products. I'm here to walk you through each stage, making the process simpler and more manageable. Let's dive into step 2. Validate and research your market. Before investing time and resources into creating your product, it's crucial to ensure there's a demand for it. Here are some effective ways to check for demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Etsy, Pinterest, and social media to understand what's trending in your niche. Search for top-selling digital products similar to your idea and see how they're faring. Don't stop there. Engage with potential buyers directly. Conversations with prospective customers can provide valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Their feedback can guide your product development and help you tailor it to meet market demands. Before you start creating, make sure you tick off everything on this validation checklist. Ensure that your idea solves a problem or fills a gap, has a unique selling proposition, and most importantly, that there's a real audience willing to purchase it. Remember, validating before creating can save you significant time and effort. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful digital product. Take time to validate, research, and engage. These foundational steps set you up for success. In our next session, we'll explore how to design and develop your product. Stay tuned.